you to this take 3 for this video. I keep messing it up. This is my version of the ball and vase trick. Really cool. I'll have the tutorial at the end for my version. Okay, so empty to normal and empty hands too. What I'll do with this ball right here, alright, it flows it into my fist. So the rub, it vanishes and reappears underneath there. In the base. How's that for a trick? It's not over. Oops. It's not over yet. What I do is I take it, it's empty, this on top, take the ball again, this into my fish, it vanishes and reappears underneath there again. You can keep repeating the steps. That's my version. I'm going to show you the tutorial in 1 second. So I'll do the step again. Put top on, take the ball, place it into my fist, vanishes, reappears. Okay. That was my version of YouTube. Now I'll have the tutorial, so just stay here for a minute. Alright, if you don't have the ball and base, I really prefer you buying it. It's a really cool trick. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to do that, my version. Okay, so how is this done? Okay, this is actually good that I have a red net, but it's also not good because the ball's right there. I just found this out now. I'm hiding it right behind there. That's not how you do it. But the angle that this is at, you actually don't see the ball, but it's actually right behind you. That's not how you do this trick. This is how you do it. Okay, so you have the ball and base. You have this little piece right here, which is on there, and the ball. Start out the ball side. We're going to pick up both, so it's empty. You can totally examine this part, not the cap though. So place the top on. Then what you're going to do is a fake tape. Alright, fake tape. You can vanish. Fake tape is just seriously just fake. What you're doing is just throwing it up. Just like that. And make it look like you don't have it. You have the fist down with the tapping, with the fingers. Like right now I just have it right here. Tapping on the table. It vanishes. Alright, so that's a good way to do it, just tap on the table, or like, don't make it like obvious, like, see? I like the point too. See it vanishes. And then what you do is you can put your fingers down and tap if you want. And all you gotta do is pick up the normal top, and the ball, this one, is on there. The fake ball. So now that the fake ball is on there, we're ready for the next step, which is this ball is going to be in your fist. Make it look normal. What you're going to do is you're going to do this. You're going to throw the ball and grab this. Alright, make it look obvious. Don't make it look obvious again. Then what you're going to do, place the ball aside. Then what you're going to do is you're going to come over with this top. Place it on there. So there's nothing here. Place the top on. And it's going to be right there. They won't notice that coming. And just repeat the steps. Fake it. Vanishes. Reappears underneath the vase. Very cool. Place it on the ground. Oops. Place it on the table. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take this top right here. Totally normal. Place it on top. Put the ball down. Make it vanish. And reappear. Okay, that's my version of the ball and base trick. Any other versions? The normal version looks just like so. Really easy to do the normal version if you don't know what it looks like. Show it empty, alright? Place the top on top. Then what you do is you take the ball, you can actually stick it inside your pocket. No fakes. and it reappears right underneath that again. And then all you gotta do is what I like to do. Start to do my version again. Take the ball out of your pocket inside here, and place the cap in. Use my version and pull it out. And this. Alright, so the ball is normal. Take the cap, bring it over, make it look normal. Take it, this on top, right there. Get the ball, and you can finish it. I just like this, if you're doing it with a video camera, you can actually have the angle that you can't see the ball in there. So, you see the ball right here? Just out, put the top on, it vanishes, and reappears right behind it. Okay? Then once you get caught. Right, I never knew this from this camera angle. You actually can't see the ball. It's really cool. I'm gonna stop talking, and you can try this trick at home. That's it, and I'll see you next time.